So ENFIELD is a project that researches green AI, adaptive AI, human-centric and trustworthy AI. It's a large network of excellence, and this event showcases the work that we have done over the last 3 years.
We built this type of collaborations in the ENFIELD project during all the duration of this project between academics and industry. Just to demonstrate this, I will just point two invited talks. The first one by NVIDIA, the industry, and the other one from academics with Virginia Guillemot from University, where we have this discussion between academics and industry.
Yeah, I think if you want Europe to be competitive on AI, we need to look also at what academia is doing in terms of fundamental research. So I believe in this event there will be a lot of results from the ENFIELD project that are very original. So these kind of events are good for dissemination, but also good for networking and show these results to industry and avoiding they are lost after the project ending.
The final conference of ENFIELD is a very important event. First of all, for the members of the consortium, because we are wrapping up all the results of our research, but also for all the AI community that is interested in trustworthy AI, in green AI, both in what we have achieved, but also on the way to the future that we should take to further develop these basic aspects of AI research.
Well, during our session, I heard a lot speaking about catastrophic events, drifts connected to AI shortcomings. To my experience, these are phenomena which are heavily affecting the process industry, where there is a lot of variability in raw materials. Therefore, I would say that there is kind of a focus of the scientific community over this phenomena, and I think process industry could benefit a lot from the ongoing research or the researches up to come.
The main takeaways of this event is what would be the European way to make AI most human-centric, and how can we respect planetary boundaries when we build and deploy AI. There are a lot of best practice and guidelines to take away from the event, and this is the main thing that we will experience here.
We've had 2 full days of interesting conversations, presentations, and even constructive disagreements about what are the challenges, but also the opportunities for AI in Europe. Our participants shall take away, leaving the venue, that we have a long way to go, but we have to combine all the different elements we have in Europe in order to make sure that the future of AI in Europe is as we expect it.
We had lots of very interesting outcomes. The keynotes, where we had one view from NVIDIA, like a major player of AI, and Virginia Guillemot, who warned us about the responsibility to make decisions about how we use AI and what kind of tools we use. We had very interesting demos and 70 videos where you could have like individual concrete projects presented, which is probably the most important in a conference. We had very interesting interactions during the breaks and lunchtime.
The ENFIELD Final Conference brought the perspective that AI should be considered within the social technical ecosystem. This means that it cannot be only pushed by technology challenges. It really has to bring other perspectives in the technological development, like societal challenges, societal perspective, socio-demographic considerations, in order to become really effective in tackling what are the main challenges Europe is facing today.